Are you ready to unfold the future of smartphones? The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is here, and it's not just another foldable device. With its sleek design, advanced camera system, and innovative features, this smartphone promises to change the way we think about mobile technology. Today, we'll explore whether it truly delivers on its promises and if it's worth your investment. Let's dive in. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is Google's latest flagship smartphone, offering a unique foldable design that transforms from a compact 6.3-inch cover display to a stunning 8-inch tablet when unfolded. Powered by the Google Tensor G4 chip and equipped with 16 GB of RAM, this device is designed for performance, multitasking, and an immersive user experience. With 256 GB of storage, you have ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos. The design of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is both elegant and functional. It features a premium build with a matte finish that resists fingerprints, making it a pleasure to hold. The cover display is vibrant and bright, boasting a peak brightness of 2700 nits, which makes it usable even in direct sunlight. When you unfold it, the inner display offers a spacious 8-inch LTPO OLED screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and a responsive touch experience. The device is impressively thin, measuring just 5.1 mm when unfolded and 10.5 mm when folded, making it one of the slimmest foldable phones on the market. The hinge mechanism feels robust, allowing for smooth transitions between the two modes without compromising durability. Camera system. One of the standout features of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is its advanced triple rear camera system. It includes a 48MP main camera, a 10, 8MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and a 10, 5MP ultra-wide lens. While the camera setup is solid, it retains some elements from previous models, which may not impress those looking for the latest advancements. The camera excels in various conditions, capturing stunning photos with rich colors and excellent detail. Features like night sight and astrophotography enhance low-light performance, while the video capabilities allow for 4K recording at 60 fps. The front cameras with 10MP sensors are also impressive, providing great selfies and video calls. Performance and software. Powered by the Google Tensor G4 chip, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold delivers robust performance for everyday tasks, gaming, and multitasking. The 16 GB of RAM ensures that you can run multiple applications smoothly without any lag. The device runs on Android 14, providing a clean and user-friendly experience, enhanced by AI features like the Gemini voice assistant, which helps with everything from writing emails to managing schedules. Battery life. With a 650 mAh battery, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold offers decent battery life, easily lasting a full day with moderate use. It supports 21W wired charging and 5W wireless charging, ensuring that you can quickly recharge when needed. However, some users may find the battery performance slightly underwhelming compared to other flagship devices. In conclusion, the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is a remarkable device that combines the best of smartphones and tablets into one sleek package. Its foldable design, advanced camera system, and powerful performance make it a strong contender in the premium smartphone market. However, with a starting price of $1,799, it may not be the best choice for everyone, especially given some limitations in camera performance compared to other flagship models. If you're interested in learning more about the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold or purchasing this device, click the link in the description below to explore pricing, availability, and additional details. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content, and share your thoughts in the comments below.